Today I am going to tell something about the cryptocurrency. First thing, prior to cryptocurrency, try to understand what is the fiat currency and how country used to decide their some value. I am not going to discuss about the methodology of deciding the total assets of a particular country. Obviously, any country is printing some uh, currencies, or they used to decide either currency way, either electronic way. If I am getting a salary, suppose 100K, so it doesn't mean all 100K I am getting through the cash. Lot of thing is only into the account. But to the make the convenience, government used to do the some kind of a printing of the physical currencies. But ultimately, if government either indirectly or directly, government must, each country must have a some kind of a calculation mechanism. Based upon that, they used to decide. If they are deciding more currencies, then their currency value will decrease respective to other country currencies. So, if let us suppose that entire world in this earth are 50 countries are there. So, in case each country has already printed or already decided some currencies according to that country's assets, then what is left? Total, around total assets of this world is already covered directly or indirectly. It doesn't mean that somebody is saying just taking some algorithm and making some kind of thing. You can just some kind of a token you can just exchange to each other, and my token has a, depending upon my compute and other thing, I will decide some extra. I will decide some cost of that. How much it is going to save? If you are making one transaction electronic way, is that is going to make the any kind of saving? Their value is itself too high. So in case if currencies are already backed by the all the across the world, there is no sense of these kinds of currencies. They are just making to the fool, and the America, China, and few China like countries. If governments are approving, then they have to also ensure the amount is of that currency supposed to be deducted by their total assets value. Based upon that, they used to decide their currencies. Same thing is used to happen into the share market. Company, most of the cases, company, if you sold that company all the assets, all order in hand, most of the case their share value is much more higher. Why government doesn't have any kind of a policies? Just suppose this is 2021, just evaluate what was the actual assets of the 2020 and what was their total value as per share market. These are the still share market, we can say still something is share concept came for a good intention, but crypto and other virtual currency is totally 100% a biggest fraud, financial fraud. Try to understand. But only clevers are making money like a gamble. Still in gamble, same way in gamble, few guys used to put the money, few guys make the profit, a lot of guys used to big loss. In this way, if you calculate the total value cryptocurrency all the government has evaluated, that will go more than how much the assets, natural assets or any other assets are available into the earth. Close your mind and try to understand. When I used to ask, whenever you are doing the electronic payment is also digital. How much they used to charge? If you are using this cryptocurrency, how much it is going to save? Then my known told, no, it is some kind of a coupon. If you are going to buy the Amazon coupon or other company coupon, you have to pay the some money that is indirectly backed by some assets, some resources. But this is totally virtual. Like Muhammad Tughlaq, one area in India's one small king name was Muhammad Tughlaq. He did the same thing, like take the gold and other things. Same thing they did. So I hope, thanks for watching my video. I hope it will clear your doubts. If you still have any doubt, comment me. I will clarify. Thanks.